TCL Roku TV remote not responding, buttons not working, or working randomly is a common issue and usually not a serious problem. In this video, I will show you simple and safe troubleshooting steps you can do at home to get your TCL Roku TV remote working again. Let's start by checking the batteries, because this is the most common reason the remote stops working. Take the back cover off the remote and remove the batteries. Put in new batteries and make sure the plus and minus signs are placed correctly. Once that's done, we'll move to the next step. Next, we're going to power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the wall socket and leave it unplugged for a full 60 seconds. Don't plug it back in yet, just let it sit during this time. While the TV is still unplugged, we'll discharge the TV using the physical power button. Find the power button on the TV and press and hold it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, release the button. Now let's reset the remote itself. Take the batteries out of the remote again, then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the time is up, release the button. After that, we'll focus on fixing any stuck or jammed buttons. Press all the buttons on the remote multiple times, going through every button one by one. Then, gently tap the remote to help remove any debris. Once that's done, put the batteries back into the remote. Before closing the battery cover, test the remote and see if it responds. Now plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on using the TV's physical power button, not the remote. Wait for the TV to fully turn on and then test the remote again. If your remote supports pairing, we'll repair it now. Open the battery compartment and press and hold the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait while the TV pairs with the remote automatically. Next, make sure there's nothing blocking the TV sensor. Remove any objects in front of the TV and point the remote directly at the screen, then test it again. If the remote is still not working, you can use the Roku mobile app on your phone. Download the app and use your phone as a temporary remote to control the TV. At this point, if none of these steps worked, the remote may be faulty. In that case, replacing the remote is the last option. That's it for this video on fixing a TCL Roku TV remote that's not working. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get your remote working again without any risk or technical hassle. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy TV and tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you're still having trouble, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.